Hello student, in this video I have taken two questions. The question of the type how to represent irrational number on the number line. First one, represent square root 3 on the number line, and second one, present square root 9.5 on the number line. So let us start. As in this one, the given question square root 3, you have to represent it on the number line. That means you have to firstly draw a line. Suppose this one is a number line in which 0 is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4 will be in positive direction, and arrow indicate there are more numbers. In the similar way, in the opposite side of left side, that means left side of 0, there will be -1, -2, -3 and so on. First, just think logically. Here the question of square root 3. So how can be square root 3 form? So square root 3, or if we consider 3 can be formed as 2 plus 1. Now just square root 2 whole square plus 1 square, as I am using Pythagoras theorem. So we can also write square root 3 square equal square root 2 square plus 1 square. That will be 3, square root 3 will become 3, square root 2 will become 2, and 1 square will become 1 again. So 2 plus 1, that is 3. Now, so firstly we have to draw square root 2. Now, if you consider 2 as 1 plus 1. So square root 2 square will be 1 square plus 1 square. That means if we consider 0 as O and 1 as A, that means OA equal 1 unit, and draw a perpendicular A to B of 1 unit again, and join OB. Observe OB. Firstly, if we consider the diagram, here we got angle A is 90 degree. That means OAB is a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, we can easily use Pythagoras theorem, which state that OB square equal OA square plus AB square. So OA square equal 1 square, and AB square, AB again we have considered 1. So 1 square, that means 1 plus 1, that is 2. So OB square equal 2, that means OB equal square root 2. But here the question is square root 3. So again you have to draw perpendicular line on OB such that OBC. You have to take BC equal 1 unit, which is perpendicular on OB. Join OC. Since square root 2 is what? OB. So, and you have constructed BC 1 unit and angle B 90 degree at OB. So OC square equal OB square plus BC square by Pythagoras theorem. So OB square is what? Square root 2 square plus 1 square, that is 2 plus 1, that is 3. OC square equal 3. That's why OC will be square root 3. But this is not on the number line, because you can easily see that number line is here, but you have got OC equal square root 3, which is not on the number line. For that, for plotting on the number line or represent on the number line square root 3, you have to take a compass whose pointer should be on point O and radius as OC. Draw an arc which cuts the number line at point P. Hence, P represents square root 3 on the number line. Correct? Now, come to this one. Represent square root 9.5 on the number line. This is quite different question from this one, as both are irrational number, but method are different to represent on the number line. Now, in this one, or whenever you will see like this form question, whatever given in the square within the square root, firstly just draw this. Suppose AB is 9.5 unit. Correct? Just extend B to C of 1 unit. Correct? Then find out the midpoint of AC. Suppose O is the midpoint. How will you find out the midpoint? Just take A as center and radius more than half of AC. Draw the arc on both sides in the similar way. Take C as center and radius more than half of AC. Draw the arc which cuts each other at some points. Join both the points. You will get there is a point which is called O. After finding the midpoint O, just take O as center and radius OA, because OA and OC both are same, because O is the midpoint of OC. Draw the semicircle. Correct? After drawing this one or after completing a semicircle from A to C, just draw a perpendicular line from point B. Suppose that cut the semicircle at point D. BD will be the exact square root 9.5. Correct? Again, as same way, this is not on the number line. So, we take B as center and radius BD, because BD is equal to square root 9.5, which we have to represent on the number line. So, let's take B as center and BD as radius. Draw an arc meeting AC produced at E. That means when you will produce it in this side A to C direction and take B as center and radius BD, when you will draw the arc that meet E, both meet at point E, then E represent square root 9.5. That means BD equal BE equal square root 9.5, because if you will complete the arc, you will get a circle, and in the circle all radius are same. So BD and B will be same. So BD equal B equal square root 9.5. So if decimal point is not there, you have to use this method. Otherwise, if you will see in the question in the square root, or that means within the square root there is a decimal point, you have to use this method. Now, after plotting, finally you will get like this.